Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I turn this dress into a cute and simple two-piece set. For this tutorial you're going to need thread that matches the dress that you want to use, elastic, scissors, a ruler, push pins, also going to need a safety pin, and also a skirt that already fits you well so you can use it as your pattern. As you can see, I'm measuring 2 inches from the top of my pattern to allow room for my elastic, and I am also measuring a 1/2 inch from the sides of my pattern for the seam allowance. Okay guys, so I made a bit of a mistake and I'm going to correct it now. So what I should have done was, when I initially laid out my skirt here, what I should have done is measure out a full inch from the seam and then measured a 1/2 inch, and that should have been my sewing line. So yeah, I did not do that. So I'm not really sure how that's going to affect my sizing, but definitely want you guys to do that first. Again, basically this was supposed to be my seam allowance, but obviously I'm not going to sew it like that because I don't want the seams to like come loose. So what I did was I measured a 1/2 inch from that. Okay guys, so I already measured my elastic. I'll show you guys. So I measured around my waist, and when I initially did it, I did it where it was perfect, and then I cut it probably like a 1/2 inch less, just so it can kind of fit more snug, and plus it's elastic and it's stretchy. So I cut it a 1/2 inch. You need a safety pin, so you're gonna put that on the end of your elastic. And then you're going to squish that through, or however, funnel that through the skirt. And once it's through both sides, then we're going to sew the elastic together, and then we're going to sew up the ends, and then we will be done, girl. Yes. So I'm going to get the elastic through, and I will be back. So for the top, I'm just going to cut down the middle and tie it in the front. Okay guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.